At Dandy Produce, what we're trying to do here is grow smaller trees, so then trees are healthier, so they're less stressed. They actually have less fruit per tree, but then because they have more trees per hectare, we get more fruit per hectare. But then our tree is in a better balance year after year. Whereas traditionally, avocados have that biennial bearing where they go high yield, low yield. So we're sort of aiming to trying to straighten that out a little bit. All the irrigation and fertigation's automated, so that we're pulse irrigating 2 to 3 times a day, depending on the tree requirements. We have plant measuring systems. We're measuring soil moisture, we're measuring sap flow. We do sap testing, we do soil testing. We're constantly trying to improve and gauge what's happening.
The Hinkler Ag initiative gave us an opportunity to experiment/operate within a Wi-Fi program to optimise our communications within the farm. Like most farmers, we're a bit of a cellular black spot here and struggle to get mobile phone reception at the best of times. And along with the NBN, the Zedify hardware that we've employed on site have really made it easier for us to try and create communications network within farm that works for both the safety and the productivity of the farm. The solution that we saw as a fit for communications challenges here was a Wi-Fi system, and that Wi-Fi system has taken shape in the hardware designed and distributed by Zedify. Basically what happens is we have an NBN connection that comes to our office, and from there that connectivity, or the internet connectivity, is broadcast across the farm through a Wi-Fi network. Now that Wi-Fi network can be picked up from the base stations in all different manners, but we've got technology that sits on our pump stations which allows for a 50 to 100 metre radius of good quality Wi-Fi. Vehicles, we call the Rover, each of our production sheds has hardware there that all helps amplify the signal, so wherever we are immediately connected through our digital technology. So going forward, I think we'll have more of this technology, especially the mobile equipment, the Rover as we call it. It's been really handy that anywhere you go, so long as there's a power of 12 volt power for it, we can connect even in zero cellular. So going forward, the orchard will continue to expand, and therefore we'll have more pump stations go in, more infrastructure requiring connectivity, more opportunity for us therefore to acquire more of these hardware units and maintain our high connectivity on farm and maintain the safety of our staff so that they can let us know what's happening at any one time at any place on the farm in real time. It's always good to be taking opportunities presented for research and experimental processes like this. I know that without their support and without their guidance and their push for this sort of technology to get opportunities like this, that our industries and our regional communities don't prosper. So being the guinea pig, so to speak, or having the opportunity to work with those guys has really given us some feeling of positivity towards the development of regional communities, and we really look forward to doing more projects with them.
Dandy Produce is one of Bundaberg's leading and forward-thinking agribusinesses. Andy and Lisa and the entire Dandy team are recognised for their out-of-the-box thinking and their approach to growing avocados and macadamias. This approach has certainly carried through to the work that CQ University's Ag Research team has done with Dandy. Through the Hinkler AgTech initiative, for example, we've undertaken trials of on-farm connectivity and integrated farm management systems. At all stages of the trials, the Dandy team has been open, willing to make the technology work for them on farm. It's been an absolute pleasure working with them, and the CQ University team looks forward to continuing working with Dandy on future projects and initiatives.